I'll say it a million times. Anything for dogs. I love dogs. This is the Bernie's Healthy Hips Hip and Joint Formula Soft Chews. There are 90 of them in here. So kind of like if your dog moves like they still think they're a puppy, these chews are going to like help keep that energy going. My dogs just turned 9, so this is really something for them. Let's just open it up and dig in. These are soft, easy to chew, and dogs really get excited about them. When you pull this off the counter and give it a shake, they get so excited like they're going to get a prize. But these are loaded with so many good ingredients, collagen, antioxidants. It's definitely a much more advanced blend than your usual like glycosamine formulas. I'm doing no medical advice. This is just designed for support and mobility, comfort, and long-term joint health. Always talk to your vet. But clean ingredients, flavor check, smoky, savory, dog approved. The texture is soft enough to break it apart. You can mix it in meals, or just give it like a treat. Daily routine friendly. Serve anytime, no mess, no fishy oil hands, no drama. So if you want joint support in a chewable, this is modern, research-backed formula with this Bernie's. Zero hassle. This one is a strong, strong, strong pick. Bottom line, my doggies love them. The ingredients are stacked, and these fit effortlessly into the daily routine. This video is sponsored by Bernie's.